Zimbabwe's potential readmission to the Commonwealth is gaining momentum, backed by Commonwealth Secretary General Baroness Patricia Scotland, despite ongoing concerns about the country's human rights record. Sanapinda mashoko anomudanyogo panapa tinoona Secretary General veCommonwealth anoignore human rights abuses atikamunyika yeZimbabwe obva pusha for Zimbabwe's readmission agenda. Sanapinda mashoko anomudanyogo panapa anodobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timida pa anyara vachiti more than 2 decades after Zimbabwe's expulsion for human rights violations under former President R.G. Mugabe, Baroness Scotland has recommended the country's return, despite allegations of election rigging and the detention of political opponents under President Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa has also come under scrutiny for his support for Russia's invasion of Ukraine. In an informal assessment report, Baroness Scotland noted that Zimbabwean stakeholders had reported an overall improved political environment. She added, "I'm certain that with the help of the Commonwealth family, the country will flourish once again." However, Secretary General, sometimes referred to as Baroness Brazen, following reports of a €338,000 refurbishment of a grace and favor apartment in Mayfair, and her appointment of close allies to key roles, is set to step down early next year. Thomas kwatona kuti anobuda achiexposewa nevakomana vachiti aiwa this Secretary General weCommonwealth akuda kuignore aiwa human rights abuses eZimbabwe. Ari kuoneka kuti kubva in the past 2 decades my abuses atoramba achiwedzera, but kuno this Secretary General is now pushing for the readmission of Zimbabwe. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.